Alrighty, what's a hunting? Brady scrambles out the pocket, throws way downfield, has a man, CeeDee Lamb, trips on his feet, gets back on his feet, and gets tackled inside the 10. Alrighty, what's a hunting? Brady throws, has a man, Cole Kmet for the touchdown. Ready, kick. It kicks up, it's good. And Mahomes couldn't go anywhere, and it's 1st and goal. Alrighty, what's that? Hot. Brady has a man. CeeDee Lamb, and it's a touchdown. Daniel Carlson, and it's a points kick there. So we kick it back. And it's intercepted by Owen.